Introducing Metal Arc Earth Clamp UE1 series. Model UE1B2. Some of the salient features include CE certified, EN 60974-13. Heavy-duty body for greater conductivity. Best-in-class heavy-duty spring for positive contact at jaws. High clamping force ensures optimal current transfer. Rugged, sturdy, and durable design. Serrated jaw ensure maximum bite to the work. High-grade copper alloy. Large contact surface area. Suitable for bolt-down or lug connection. Oxidation resistant. European design. Low maintenance and easy to use. 200 to 300 amps capacity. 100% made in India. ISI Marked.